And the race is on. The Chairman Lakay from the outside, Haywire, running by the Ralph Forest, Old San Marino, and Claim My Prize is the and running by the Ralph Forest, all rushing up is Lakay, alongside is Haywire, and running in fifth by some 9 lengths is Claim My Prize and San Marino. Inside the last 800. 3 runners fighting around for the lead. Running by the rail is the Chairman, rushing up now Haywire and Lakay. It's a neck-and-neck race. Haywire, Lakay in the middle, the Chairman down on the inside, and Forest also running in fourth by a length and a half. And nearing the last 450, Haywire from the outside, the Chairman, Lakay, Forest all getting closer in fourth. San Marino Claim My Prize as they swing for home. Haywire, the Chairman, Lakay, and on the further outside is Forest Hall, and running down on the inside is San Marino. It's Haywire, the Chairman, San Marino barging down on the inside. It's still Haywire, San Marino, the Chairman, but still Haywire, San Marino down on the inside, moves up, and finally close finish. Haywire, San Marino, the Chairman, Lakay, Forest Hall, and Claim My Prize.
Nakita po natin, coming to the home stretch, it was a 2-horse race between the Chairman and entry number 6, Haywire. Last 200 meters, bigla po nakalusot sa loob yung entry number 5, San Marino. Tinalo lang po ni Haywire si San Marino, siguro isang by about ahead. Sa ating pong pick 6, ang matitira po dyan, 41,974. Winner take all, matitira po dyan, 14,490. Winning time, 1 minute 16 seconds flat with quarter times of 25 and a half, 23 and a half, coming home at 27 para po sa distansyang 1,200 meters.